to Living the Dream Garage 2.0. Here today to get started on getting the rear brake kit, Wilwood kit on. Get it out, get it sorted and separated and all that stuff. Thanks to everyone that stopped by watching the videos. Thank you to everyone subscribing, all the new subscribers. We certainly appreciate it. And hang out with us. Thank you. All right, everyone. What we have here is, this is the beginning of us putting on this Wilwood kit, which you can see right here. It's for the 9-inch Ford setup for this truck. Well, not for this truck specific, but it's big enough for this truck. This is the bracket we're putting on the driver's side. This will go to the passenger side. And this thing's really, it's a tough kit. A lot of you guys that know about them. They're proud of it, but you get what you pay for with Wilwood. There's other ones out there, but it's a 4-piston setup, and it's going to have the same deal up front. I'm almost certain. I want to say it's 4-piston, or it might be a little bigger setup. It's for a Crown Vic setup, but it's the Wilwood new deal. But this is where we're at with this. We're just kind of putting everything on real nice and easy right now. We took some stuff off, but just making sure everything's fitting right, and we're going to safety wire it. Also, it's accommodated for that, and we're going to go ahead probably and do the safety wire. But yeah, that's where we're at right now, and we just got started, and I like to say, so far, so good. So yeah, that's it. washer bumper. There ain't nothing like these types of brakes. Oh yeah, sweet. Beautiful. That's just sexy right there. Absolutely sexy. On to the next side. Hope everyone's enjoying the video. It's a lot of fun working on these hot rods and stuff and doing things like this, and it's nothing like putting this stuff on your own vehicles. I've done it, and a lot of people has, but regardless if it's your vehicle or whoever, I don't think there's anything. I mean, there's nothing more satisfying as far as this type of work to me than changing a set of brakes, something like this, going from something to, factory, boring fact to something like this. I know it's expensive and all, but I mean, nothing. The sad part is this truck is not going to have an open wheel. It's a solid steel 20 or 22 inch wheel, and you'll never see the beauty of these brakes and all that stuff. And that was one of the reasons he didn't go with the drilled and slotted stuff. The rotors was due to the fact it wasn't going to be seen. So, but these are vented and set up for what he needs, and it'll do just as good. But yeah, this is it's satisfying to me, and I love all the work as far as doing it. But I think there's nothing sexier than a set of Wilwood brakes, and or any type of brake like this. But we've always been fortunate enough to deal with Wilwood, and but yeah. Hope everyone's enjoying the video, and we still got another side to go. Like I said, it's not much to it. It's just dealing with a lot of bolts and putting stuff together. We initially had the hat on backwards. Tenderfoot jumped the gun and had the hat on backwards. It was just going to change the location. You can actually put it two different ways with this one, but yeah, we got it going though. We got it turned around. These are 4 piston calipers. They can be turned any direction you want, and they're able to be bled if you turn them any other, upside down in another way or whatever. They can be bled from top or bottom. we just turn them upright. But yeah, thank everyone for hanging out, and hopefully you're enjoying it. It's just a little bit of brake work, but this is what we're doing on a Saturday. And thank you. We're on the other side now, everyone. We're on the back passenger side of the truck. Just installing these rest of these brakes on the rear, and we don't have anything else going on, and we should be, but there's some other stuff happening family-wise. I got my grandson over. We're gonna have a time, hang out, and yeah. But I'd like to thank everyone. Hope everyone enjoys this. Like I said, this is pretty cool to me. I just like the difference. I like making these change, seeing the difference. I don't know if that makes any sense or not, but yeah, I think it's going to be a cool setup. It's going to be a cool truck. We still have, as far as the brakes, we've got everything else left going towards the front. But we're going to be replacing all the Crown Vic stuff, which is all brand new stuff, and we may be getting rid of that stuff also. I don't know if anybody's interested. Once we get all the new parts, all the new Wilwood set up for it, the owners mentioned that he'll be getting rid of all that. It's all brand new. He bought everything brand new for front suspension for it. As far as rotors and brakes and all that stuff, they just been sitting on the truck. But either way, I'd like to thank everyone. We're just going to tighten these brackets up and check the clearance on the shoes. We got the barbecue going, or the grill, going to grill a couple steaks. But I'd like to thank everyone. We very much appreciate it. Tenderfoot and myself. Thank everyone that's subscribing. We're getting closer and closer to the 1,000. We need all the help we can get. But yeah, if you'd like to subscribe, if you like this type of stuff, there's not the only project we're going to have going. It's just what we have right now. We're in between some stuff. I'm trying to get a car or two from Florida, couple of race cars, but I don't know how that's going to happen, what's going on there, but it is what it is. Dirt, or oval track or drag, either one. We're messing with a couple of them, but yeah, thank everyone, and we're gonna close out here. I'd like to thank again Benchmark Abrasives. LVD10 is our discount code. Put in LVD10 at checkout if you need some abrasives. Check out Benchmark Abrasives. Nobody any better on the market than Benchmark, in my eyes. Also, fast flange fasteners. Mr. Kiefert. Like to thank him again. We got a bunch of projects coming up. We're going to need all the fasteners we can get, and they're going to need. We want them all to match, and that's a good thing. Thank God he's me and us, Tenderfoot and myself and him has gotten together and getting together and going to have something going on there with some fasteners, and look forward to working with him and using those and making everything look presentable and uniform and being held together the right way. But thank everyone. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. We want to see more comments, whether they're good or bad. I don't know. Give me the bird, whatever you want to do. No, I'm just joking. But feel free to comment and send us some pictures. You can put on pictures on whatever you got going on with projects. That's cool. We like to see other people's projects. But thank you, and everyone have a good weekend and a good night. Thank you.